Well, hi, hello, good evening to me, and good afternoon to you, or good morning. I don't know, but yes, hi, hello, greetings. So, I am new to this strategy, and I'm just gonna try and put my analysis out there because that's important to do to make sure that we improve. And yeah, so bear with me with however I'm going to present this because I hope I don't trip up or mess up. But yeah, it's bound to happen. I've accepted the potential for that to happen. It's fine. You can tell I'm shy. Okay, so welcome to the piptosynthesis theory. Okay, so here we go. My main focus of pair wise is it really a pair? So my main focus is gold. So let's talk about that. Make me smaller. And so my higher time frame for gold is this, and so you can see here that that's the the high. What the hell, what have I done? Okay, let's move me over. Okay, so you can see that like yellow. Okay, so you can see that this is the high for gold, and so that's the price, because we're going to be focusing on the now, but obviously we have to know what was before, right? And so this is my higher time frame analysis, and the lowest possible thing that can affect the next week, the immediate level, that lowest immediate level that may affect the coming week is here, right? Like, I could have done this or done that, but this is to me the immediate lower level that can affect the stuff for next week. And so that's my daily, and we can see that it's a uptrend. There we go, getting used to the words. Okay, in the 4 hour, I count this as a higher time frame. You can see that these are my projections, by the way. So that's my my bull projections and my bearish projections. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping up with my words. Okay, so still a uptrend, higher highs, lower lows, right? There are wicks here and there, but the general trend is higher high, higher lows. This one gave us a bit of a fright, but after candle close, which is why it's important to let candles close, is that still close above this support level here. And so to me, this is like, still has potential to go up at least to the recent high to retest, right? So we still have room to get there. Like, as you can see, the level above the no trade zone, it's like 1903, so that's like 70% range. Am I talking shit or what? No, yeah, okay, you get it. So that's my 4 hour, and now this is the real thing. Let's get the real thing. Okay, so how I'm thinking about this is that this is my no trade zone. I'm not gonna touch nothing that is here, but I'm gonna be reading off confirmations, the candles based off these levels, right? So it has broken the the candle has tapped into the level here, and there's a mini retrace to come down, like pullback, is it? I don't know, a mini pullback. Yeah, okay, right? And so I'm thinking, if a green candle appears closest above there, then there's a high chance to reach this first target here, or I also said /BE because I'm thinking it's potentially where I can also, after I take my take profit, the plan is like I put a BE on the rest and then let it run or whatever, right? Gotta leave the runners running. So now we have the other side of the scenario, which is the sell. And so to me, this is the recent like, because I'm thinking, I don't know what the word is, but there's this support here, not resistance from before, right? And so I think that is a decent, that's a logical like target for a sell, for logical first target, because we don't know obviously whether it's really gonna get back down here, right? So that's the plan on gold. And yeah, so that's my gold analysis on the 1 hour. And here's the 30-minute, and so this gives you more clarification. It gives me clarification. At the end of the day, this is for me. So yeah, as long as it makes sense to me, it's cool. All right. So same thing. Now this is good because it's a weak close, right, on the level. And so if there's a green candle that forms, a bullish candle that forms, then hey, let's shoot up, right? And then these are just like my imaginary projections. Like somehow I'm gonna figure out how to copy and paste little candles to make it look like a candle, because so far this is just like price action movement. I would like to project at some point what my candles would look like to reinforce visualizing. Okay, enough with the pen. And now we have GBP, JPY, pound yen, right? And so same story. Is it really? So this is the most obvious like recent high. Price is currently here. This is the most significant low of like where the price is relevant to where the price is now. And 4 hour is that was the recent high, and this is a no trade zone. And so those are my projections. We're zooming in, right? So these are my projections, no trade zone, and if anything breaks above here and then like do the mini cute pullback and then go up with a green kind of forms, right? And we have ample room, 60 pips, right? I'm happy with just 10, so that's fine. And then the other side of the story is the same, even more room for a down like sell, but we'll see, but keeping it kept with the plan. So this is my half hour reading, like what analysis, what am I saying, reading. So same story, but clearer pictures, mini something pullback, and then that's my first target. But come on now, I'm not gonna be like it must get there before I take any profits. I'm not gonna do none of that, even though I was someone like that. But we're here to change. Now I'm also interested in oil. Like if you all have seen my first ever video, how I actually really got started trading. I initially traded very badly with oil and gold, and now suddenly I'm introduced to Wix Online and market fluidity strategy, and so I'm like, wow, they traded the same thing that I started trading with, but really badly. This guy's gonna show me how to do it properly, so why not? Okay, so that's that. And so recent high for oil, and then the most significant immediate low for the upcoming scenarios is that right here. But I've also plotted like other support and resistance. I'm still getting used to how I'm plotting my chart, so bear with me on that. I hope it's not so confusing. So this is my 4 hour, and we have this scenario going on right now. Is it a pullback? Like maybe see this what I mean, like I'm still not accurate. Like having a look at this now, that support should have been right here. And yeah, given that it doesn't break and then pulls back, but still this is my no trade zone. Okay, I'm gonna work on that. So imagine that this is what really is what I mean. So this is my no trade zone. Yeah, so just ignore that, move it there. And my first target would be here now, so that will move there. No, I'm talking shit. Okay, anyway, this is just me practicing how to read oil properly, because it was my nemesis. Because it didn't really do shit to me, like it didn't argue with me or anything. It's just what I mean is I did very badly with oil, so let's see how well I do, given that I'm disciplined enough to do the thing that we do, right? Okay, so how do I close? Okay, so that's that. Thank you for watching. So let's end my video at last after so long. Keeping it kept. Thank you. Bye. Yep. Welcome to the Piptosynthesis 3. Yeah, I can't even say it. I'm so shy.